welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we're gonna make alkaline sushi. So to make our sushi, I'm gonna make it really simple because I've never made sushi before, and then alkaline sushi is a little bit different than like regular sushi. But we're gonna use quinoa. I hope you can see that. We're gonna use quinoa as our rice component of our sushi. I don't know who's never maybe seen quinoa before, but I'm sure there's probably some people who haven't. This is what quinoa looks like. It's just like, it's a grain. And we buy this big bag of quinoa. I think this is a 4.5 pound bag. We buy ours from Costco. Dr. Sebi also approves all sea vegetables. So we're going to be using roasted seaweed. I don't know where my mom bought this from, but I'm assuming you can probably buy it from like your typical stores. I know for sure that Whole Foods have it. I don't know if like Walmart and stuff has it. They might. I don't know. We're also going to use a cucumber and and an avocado. Okay, so we're gonna start making the quinoa. Quinoa typically takes about 20 minutes to make. And to cook your quinoa, all you will do is just, like, they have directions on the back, but usually it's 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. But I think 1 cup of quinoa is too much. So I think I'm gonna do a half a cup. Maybe I should do a 1/4 cup. Cause I don't think you're gonna need that much quinoa. I'm gonna do a half a cup of quinoa. So this is a half a cup of quinoa. And I'm gonna add a cup of water. And all you do is bring your quinoa to a boil, and then you let it simmer until it's completely cooked, and like it'll be soft. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna cut up my cucumber and avocado. And I'm also, when the quinoa is finished cooking, I think I wanna add some raw bell peppers to it too. Okay, so our quinoa is all finished and cooked up. I would say it probably took 15 and 20 minutes to cook, and I did have to add a little extra water, probably about half a cup. If you notice like the water is drying up but your quinoa isn't like finished cooking, like it's still hard, then just add some more water and keep letting it cook. So what I have right here is I have some sliced cucumbers. I guess you would say like julienne, I guess they call it. I don't know, but I chopped up some bell peppers that I want to add into my quinoa. Who freaking cutting their grass right now? So I want to season my quinoa a little bit because I feel like you're gonna have a lot of fresh vegetables like the cucumber and the peppers, but it's like I don't know what a flavor coming in at. So I think I'm gonna add just half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. That's a lot. Maybe I should do a 1/4 teaspoon. Yeah, we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon. Well, you know what, that wasn't that much. We're gonna do a whole half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. You can definitely find sesame seed oil at Walmart for sure. I know that. I'm also gonna add just a little bit of sea salt. It's a little bit, a little sprinkle. And I'm gonna add in those bell peppers that I chopped up. And I'm just going to mix that up. Also, my quinoa is still hot. I'm trying to wait until it cools off so I can put it in the, I guess, the seaweed wrap. I don't want the temperature of it to like make it break. So we're going to let our quinoa cool off, and then I'll come back when we start preparing our sushi rolls. I want to make a sauce to dip my sushi in. So what I'm thinking is I have this coconut aminos. I showed this in one of my previous videos. This is not Dr. Sebi approved, so If you do not want to use it, you do not have to, but it is a soy-free alternative to soy sauce. And I purchased this from Whole Foods, and you can also get this from vitacost.com. This is organic tahini. I bought it from Trader Joe's. Tahini is made from sesame seeds, and you just ground it up. However, it is very, very easy to make your own tahini. So I'm not gonna buy it next time. I'm just gonna make it myself. And then I'm also thinking of putting in some agave and some hot sauce. Okay, I know this is definitely not Dr. Sebi approved, but like y'all, I just love hot sauce and I just don't have time to be making no hot sauce from scratch. So we're gonna use this today, don't judge me. So tahini, like I said, it's made from sesame seeds. It's supposed to be like an alternative to peanut butter. If you do add salt to it, salt and agave, it does taste very similar to peanut butter. It has that nutty flavor. So I think I'm just gonna take about a tablespoon of this tahini. I'm gonna add a little salt to it and a little bit of agave, because like I said, if you add sea salt and agave to it, then it will taste like peanut butter. I don't know how much soy sauce I should put in. I mean, how much coconut aminos I should put in. I might do a tablespoon though, if it comes out the bottle. Okay, so that's a tablespoon. Add a little bit of hot sauce. If you don't want to use the hot sauce and you still want that spicy component, you can probably just add in some cayenne. I'm gonna add some more salt for sure. Oh my god. I'm definitely gonna add some more agave and some more hot sauce and some more coconut aminos, and I'm gonna add water to it because the tahini makes it very thick and I want it to be thinner. But I need the flavor to be right first before I add the water. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it to thin it out. Yes, like a little peanut butter sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, so our quinoa has cooled down. We're gonna try to make our first sushi roll. If I fail, which I probably will, don't laugh at me. So we're gonna start with putting the quinoa on first. From what I have seen, I believe you start at the edge. Oh, you know what? I know you're supposed to have one of those little wooden rolling things, but we don't got that, so. And I think also it's important not to overstuff it, because then you're not going to be able to close it. So we're going to put some cucumbers. And then we're going to add some avocado.
It's an avocado.
Okay, now we're going to try to roll this. I feel the failure coming. Okay. I know you're supposed to like tuck it so it could be tight. Lord, one side fatter than the other. Okay, well, I definitely could have added some more stuff to it. How y'all seal it at the end? Do y'all like, I think it like take water and like, well, nope, water doesn't seal it either. I don't know how you seal this thing. How you supposed to make it stay? This not cute. This look like a, I can't even say what this look like. Maybe it's just brand of seaweed. I ain't feeling it. Maybe we're gonna look at this side. Okay, this look kind of cute. Hold on, y'all. I might have did something else. Oh, look, it's blurred. Y'all see that? This kind of cute. I might have did that. Oh, Lord. He just came out. Oh. You know what? It was good until I had to cut it. I ain't cutting it. They set me up for failure. Let me get another knife. Nope, this ain't helping either. Lord. We're not gonna look at this one. This the twin that dropped out of high school. Okay, hold on. It was just a knife, y'all. Get a little plate. Put y'all on. Y'all looking cute or whatever. Buzz down, Sushiana. See, these kind of look better, you know, like it's thicker. It's very filled up. And I guess it looked better than the first one because I added more filling, I guess. It's just the cutting part. For some reason, when I cut it, everything just starts spilling out. Y'all, look at this. This is the last roll I made, and look how perfect it is. And I get on freaking camera. Look, not a spillage in sight. It's all good though. This is the finished product. I think I made about 4 rolls, and this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Maybe about 25 rolls because I ate one and then I dropped one, and then it was like 3 that kept messing up and I had to like throw them to the side, you know. So 4 probably, it depends on how thick you cut them too. Some of them I cut small, and then some I cut thicker, you know. I don't know. I'm upset because I was outside trying to shoot a thumbnail for like 30 minutes and I still didn't get one that I liked. So if y'all wonder why I don't have professional thumbnails, this is why. Anyway, I'm gonna take my sauce and I'm gonna try one. Might have did something though. Tastes kind of good. I feel like the sauce is like the best part. Like, I'm busy. The sushi is good, but you know, it's kind of like there's no salt, there's no, you know, you definitely need the sauce to take it to the next level. If you're wondering, this is the same day. My hair is just different just because I just want to do something different to it. I actually really like this, and I don't eat sushi very much. I'm not like a big sushi fan, but I definitely think you guys should try this and make the sauce. You have to make the sauce with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. If you have any other video suggestions, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.